Today is the first class of your ECS, that is English Communication Skills. ECS is in the first semester for BA students, for artist students, and in second semester for BSc, that is medical as well as non-medical students, and also for commerce students. This is ECS. What is meant by ECS? English Communication Skills. And the university has prescribed a book for you, that is AECC. It is the name of the book which they have prescribed. It is written by the Department of Kashmir University by Lily Want and Nusrat Jan and Ifat Maqbool. You have to buy the book. Book is compulsory, because without book here you can't do anything. As the medical students, they can't do anything without the experiments. Because it is known to you that experiment or science is observations and experiments. Isn't it? Science is that. For example, commerce students, you can't do anything unless and until you have the ledger with you, unless and until you have the debit and credit system. Isn't it? In the same way here, or unless and until you have the calculator with you, in the same way here you have to bring the text with you. Is it clear? I already told you that actually our subject is ECS, English Communication Skills. First of all, the main word here is communication. What is meant by communication? Can you say me what is meant by communication? It is combination of three words: ECS, English Communication Skills. First of all, we will come upon the communication. What is meant by communication? Yes. Communication means to communicate. What we communicate? Our ideas. For example, commerce students, business. Debit what comes, credit what goes out. Debit all expenses, losses, credit all gains and profits. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. These are the basic fundamentals of the accountancy. Are they? For example, science students, medical students, that is, they make the this experiment of the frog, make the operation of the frog, or photosynthesis. It is the process. They see that how the sunlight helps in the process of the photosynthesis. Is it clear? That is there. In short, we express in communication, we express our views, our thoughts, our ideas. Is it clear? That is we express them, because you medical and commerce students, you doesn't deal more with emotions and feelings. Otherwise, in communication, we express our emotions, we express our feelings, but in case of business, we have not to be emotional. We have not to express our feelings, because we have to earn. The main motto of the business is to earn. Is it clear? In the same way, the main motto of the science is to make the observations and to make the experiments. Because it is known to you that the great scientists, they have done such observations and experiments which we are not able to handle, which we are not able to operate. They have made such things. Is it clear? Because I already told you that in case of in front of the science, we have not to be emotional. We have not. Is it clear to you? That is, we express. Otherwise, in case of language, we express our feelings also. We express our emotions also. And it is known to you that the main motto of education is to learn something, to get the information. Because with the help of information, we are able to understand what is good and what is wrong, what is right and what is wrong. It is known to you that the great scientists, the great persons, they have become scientists. How? By doing these observations and experiments. Because, for example, Newton is known to you. He has given the three laws. law of motion, third law, equal and opposite direction, and gravitational pull. We throw something, why it fell down? Is it clear to you? That is in short what I want to say, that they make the things observe. That is the main thing here is communicate. Why we communicate? Because we express our thoughts, we express our views, we express our feelings, we express our emotions. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Now, how we express these things? Either orally, by speaking, is it clear? Or by writing, is it clear? Or by gestures. Is it clear? Clear? That is why I express these things, this communication in 3 ways. And I told you that actually we communicate, but we communicate through a proper channel. For example, at this time, I speak but in particular language, that is English. That is language. We communicate our views, we communicate our thoughts, we communicate our emotions, we communicate our feelings with the help of the language. With the help of the language. That is the way by which we express our thoughts, by which we express our feelings, is called language. Is called. Then what is language? Language is the means of the communication. Is it clear? Because I told you that I salute you because you are medical students, you are commerce students. Isn't it? That is, it is known to you that we humans, science says that this man, he is also animal, according to science, but at the top of the hierarchy, that is crown of the creation. Is it clear? Now, one thing is that we use the language to express our communication. Now, another question is, because you are science students, you are commerce students, does animals also use language or not? Does animals use language or not? Because, first of all, remember that whenever you will enter into the classroom, any classroom, you have to pose the question why, what, and how. Why, what, and how. Then you will be able to get the knowledge. Then you will be able to get the information. Either I have not bring the knowledge and information in my pockets. I share the knowledge with you. I share the information with you. But how you will get the knowledge or information? When you will pose the questions. For example, it is known to you that a kid in your home, a child in your home, how he gets the information? How he gets the information? When he poses the questions. Why is this fan? Who has made this fan? Why it runs upon the electricity? Why is moon on the sky? Isn't it? Isn't it? And the great scientists, they have posed the questions. For example, Einstein, he has said his mother that when hen will hatch the eggs, why not I? Is it clear? Isn't it? He has set himself about the eggs. That is, he has posed the questions. I told you the Newton, he has given the gravitational pull. Everything falls to the earth. How? It is known to you that once he was beaten by the parents and he has gone into an orchard. In the orchard, there he saw that the apple has fell down. He said, why it has fell down? Why it has not gone up? That is curiosity. Medical students, it is known to you that what is this? What is this? This is benzene. Who has given it its name or shape? Who has given? I am not a student. Who has given it a shape? To cool. Isn't it? How he has given it a shape? How? One is, it was in his mind that he wants to give the shape, but there does not come the structure that how he will make it. In the dream, he says snake. And the snake was in this form, and he gave it its shape in that way. Have you learned it? He has given the shape of the benzene by seeing the snake in the dream. If we will see the dream, snake in the dream, we will say that, oh no, somebody is our enemy. He has done the ta'izz to us. Isn't it? That is not, because we should be practical. We should not believe upon these superstitious things. Isn't it? We have to believe upon our religion, there is no doubt. But in our religion, in Islam, there are not these superstitious things. Is it clear? That is in short what I want to say, that pose the question, why, what and how. That is education. Because you are not art students, you are medical students. Word education means educare, educare and educatum. Educare means to give. I have given the lecture. Have you understood or not? It was the talk of the past. It is called teacher centered. The students have not given the time. Now educare, to draw out, Can you got me? Because God has given ability to everybody in this world. We give time to you, we give platform to you. Or educator means train. We have to train you. And you have to remember once for all that any language, it is not taught. Language is not taught. No, language is not taught. Have you learned the Kashmiri? Has somebody taught the Kashmiri to you? Have somebody taught the Kashmiri to you? Isn't it? You have learned it yourself. That we have to create the environment. Because I already told you that animals use, my question was, does animals use the language or not? Yes, they also use the language. But what is difference their language and our language? We use so many sounds. They use fixed sounds. For example, the cow uses the same sound always, ta, ta. If we beat her, she uses the sound ta. If she feels hunger, she uses the sound ta. Is it clear? Another thing is that we humans, we get the language according to environment. Animals have inborn language. We are born in Kashmir and we speak Kashmiri. If we have been born in London, we have been speaking English. If we have been born in China, we have been speaking Chinese. How many languages are in the world which are spoken by the man? Have you any concept? Have you any concept? There are 7,000 languages. How many? 7,000 languages which are spoken by the man. You can say yourself. Why? Because I told you that we humans, we get the language according to environment. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. That is, in short, we communicate the things with the help of the language. And you have to remember that, because our subject is English communication. English, not all, but English. Why not Arabic? Because we are Muslims. Why not Chinese? Because it is known to you that China comes at the top in the population. And you have to remember that the most spoken language in the world is not English as L1, as mother tongue, not English. Chinese. Is it clear? Chinese is spoken mostly at top level as L1, as mother tongue, because they have more population. English is at second. Is it clear? That is what I want to say, that why this Chinese or why not our Arabic has become international language. Yeah, my question is why we say English communication, because it is known to you English has become international language. You commerce students, you make the marketing in English. But another question, why, what and how? Why this English has become international language? It is international language, there is no doubt. But why English only? Is my question clear to you? Why English has become international language? Why? Because it is known to you that the English people, they have ruled throughout the world. Have they ruled? They have ruled upon India for more than 200 years. Isn't it? There is a proverb in English that the sun never sets upon the British Empire. The sun never sets upon the petition paper. For example, at this time there is 12, somewhere it may be 11, somewhere it may be 1, isn't it? That their reign was such wide that the sun never sets upon their petition. That is, they have ruled at least everywhere. Why? When they have ruled, they have influenced. For example, it is known to you that we are Kashmiri, but even we speak so many words of the English. For example, kitchen. Can anybody among you say me what is typical word of kitchen in Kashmiri? In the morning, also nobody knows. That is, we are slaves, still we are slaves. That doesn't mean that we had get the freedom. No, we are still slaves. Our mind is still slave. This is not, and it is it is good that you are commerce students, you are medical students. It is known to you that we are at this time, we are slaves of the media. Whatever media presents, we follow that. The media presents in such a way that we accept that. In short, what I want to say that English has become international language because when they have ruled upon us, they have influenced the language because there are two things. Why? Because this English at that time was link language between the ruler class and the ruling class. For example, they were ruling upon India. Now Indians had to speak with them. How will they speak? Not in Hindi, not in any other language, not in Sanskrit, not in Kashmiri, not in Urdu. We have to speak in their language because they have influenced upon us, not we have influenced upon them. Number one. Number second, their mere motive was, it is not of everybody to spread his own religion. Their motive was to spread their Christianity. And it is known to you that the Bible at this time is in English, and they want to spread the Christianity. So, in one way or another way, they have influenced all the people of the world. Every people has been influenced by this English. Now, other question is, sir, why they have ruled upon all the world? Why not others? Why not Muslims? Isn't it another question? There is a hadith that Muslims will rule in future, but still not. Isn't it? But before that, nobody will be the Muslim. Isn't it? But that time is, this time, you see that so many predictions of the Islam are applied at this time. You see that so many things you yourself observe. I have not to say that at this time. That is in short why my other question was why English has ruled through all the world. Why? Because you are medical students, you are commerce students. It is known to you, anybody in the market, he dominates. Who dominates? Yeah, it is known to you that the great persons who are billionaire at this time. How? For example, Modi, tea seller. Isn't it how he has become PM? Or another body, this millionaire, what is the name of that? Isn't it how they have become billionaire? In short, by hard working. Isn't it? In the marketing, it is known to you. In the commerce, anybody says you work hard. Competition. You have in the medical server, Darwin's server of fittest. Only fit people surviving in this world. Others vanish. Isn't it? Because it is said that there are opportunities, but only fittest people survive in this world. Isn't it? That is in short what I want to say, that they have, what they have done, they have worked hard. The English people, they are hard working people. You have seen in the discoveries. And number one. Number second, what they do, they are not like us. What our subject is taken by your cousin, you take that subject. Your parents say you, they compel you. Oh, your cousin has taken medical. You have to take the medical. Why are you after commerce? What you will do after commerce? What you will do after taking the other subject? No. Your cousin has taken the art subject, medical subject, it is repetition. What will people say? But it is known to you that in USA, in UK, there is not this concept. You have seen there the people, some people, they follow the dogs. Isn't it? They are paid for that. They are given the salary for that. If in Kashmiri, anybody will follow the dogs, who will? Nobody will. Because you have to remember, yes, Bill Clinton, one of the son of the Bill Clinton is Mason. यहाँ तो फारूक पहले शेख अब्दुल्ला, फारूक अब्दुल्ला, उमर अब्दुल्ला, अब और कोई अब्दुल्ला आएगा? Hierarchy. One of the son of the Bill Clinton is Mason, and another son is driver. Because there is not the capability in them as a leader. You see in the discoveries, some follow the dogs, some follow the dolphins. Isn't it? Because why? I will say you why. Because God has created us in such a way that everybody among us has something special. According to psychology, all the humans have two factors. One is general factor, another is specific factor. G and S. G and S. General means, for example, at this time there is chill, there is cold. You also feel cold, I also feel. You also feel hunger, I also feel. Anybody feels these things. But there is some specific in you. For example, anybody among you like us among the commerce, accountancy. Some like us business law. Some like us cost accountancy, financial accountancy. Everybody has his own interest. Among medical, some botany, chemistry, zoology. In artists, some poetry, English, political science. God has created us in such a way that some like us music. Everybody has something special. As it is known to you that we have different these finger touches, isn't it? Or we have different DNAs. In the same way, we have different interests. But when we are compelled to do against our interests, what we will do? Can we do anything? For example, your interest is in artists. Your parents says compelled, no, you have to take the commerce. I am not able to. I myself has read commerce 1 year, accountancy. David work comes in credit work, David all against my losses in first semester. But then I left it because my interest was with the literature. I had done good at that time. Otherwise, I have read business law, accountancy, at that time shorthand also, and also business statistics, business commerce. There were so many at that time. It is talk of before 10 or 12 years. That is what I want to say, that once in there England, they see the interest. Wherever your interest is, they give you that. And by that, you become specific. One should be juggler of all trades, but master of one. Juggler of all trades. यानी कि मजा तो हर किसी को लेना चाहिए, मगर मास्टर एक ही में ही होना चाहिए. हम क्या करते हैं? मास्टर ऑफ नन, juggler of all. Is it clear? Master should, because it is known to you that at this time there is competition. There is competition. There is competition in every field. In commerce, in medical, in arts, everywhere. But if you have a hold upon a particular subject, go there. You will reach. Always cast for moon. Don't worry if you will fall among stars. Is it clear? Is it clear? In short, ECS is our subject. English. That is, in short, I told you that why English has become international language. Now, is it clear to you? Anybody who works hard, he dominates others. If anybody among you will work hard, he will dominate others. That is communication. I have told you, sickle. Now sickle. Word sickle. What is meant by sickle? Because particularly commerce students, they know what is meant by sickle. Very good. Art. Very good. Anything you want to add? Anything you want to add? Yes. I told you in the very beginning, skill means but actually skill means wherever you have the interest. For example, I told you some among you may have interest with the carpenter. Skill means that which you help you in your future. Yani in practical, we can say that skill is practical. Skill is practical. Skill is not theoretical. You do the things in practical which will help in your future. Even though you will not get the degree is not compulsory in case of skill. Is it clear? This communication, actually it is skill. It is, I already told you that, for example, so many among you, not among you who were studying with you up to 12th or 10th, they have failed in 10th or 12th class. But they have the skill of speaking. They are speaking at this time and they are earning the money, wearing the tie. How? They have memorized some words, they have become MRs. They have memorized, they have mega up some words, and they impresses even the doctors. Oh, this is our medicine, it is very beneficial for the patients. Is it clear? That is, they have the skill. This skill, it helps us in case of language, because language actually is skill. Because it is known to you that the hardest man of Pahalgam or the board man of Jahannam, they speak English fluently, even though they doesn't know ABC, because they are in the company of the English people. I already told you that we get the language according to environment, according to circumstances. Can you got me? Is it clear? Is it clear to you? Is it clear? That is, they speak English because they are in the company of the, as we speak Kashmiri. Nobody has taught Kashmiri to us. In short, conclusion, language is caught. Language is caught, but not taught. You have to remember the thing. If you know that it is called a marker, then it will be helpful. If you doesn't know, then what will I do you? Then you have to memorize the things. You have to make up the things. And you have to make their proper usage. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Language is caught. Language is but not taught. We come to the conclusion that 16 days English speaking course. There are commerce students, that is for money, to earn the money. Otherwise, nobody will get hold upon the English within 16 days. As I told you in the early, what is called kitchen in Kashmiri. We are Kashmiri people. I am 40, you are 20, in 20s, but you didn't know. Now how you will get hold upon the English with 16 days. In short, we come to the conclusion that what is ECS, English Communication Skills. In short, we come here to conclusion that here we have to learn how to communicate things. But in short, you have to remember that all the languages have 4 characters or 4 features. That is speaking, listening, writing and reading. We have to study these features. Okay, thank you. Thank you.